Christina, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I pack in my carry-on and my backpack, and also I have these cute little packing cubes that I bought from a Japanese store in Mexico. This store is just adorable. It has everything that you can possibly want, and these packing cubes help me keep me organized in my traveling, and everything that I do is just amazing. Starting with bottoms, I packed 3 pairs of shorts, 1 striped one and 2 solid ones. And I like to roll my clothes so I can maximize my space in my carry-on. Next, I packed 2 pairs of jeans, 1 dark wash, and it doesn't matter where you start rolling from, it can be from the top or bottom, and I packed 1 medium washed. I packed 2 loose pairs of pants. I have this green one and this white one with blue stripes. Next, I just packed 1 skirt, a cheetah one, and 2 gym shorts, 1 black one and then another black one with a white trim. And here is my packing cube, and this is the biggest one. It is a little crowded, but it's okay. It's zipped up. It's nice and organized. Moving on to shirts, this is the shirt that matches the pair of white pants with blue stripes, and I have a similar one in black. I have 1 white t-shirt, and 1 black one. And just a plain white tank top. And this floral long sleeve. And another long sleeve. And 2 t-shirts. It's all ready for my packing cube, and this is a smaller one. But this is the perfect size for my tops. Moving on to dresses and outerwear, I packed this flowy dress that is nice and comfortable. Then I just packed this tank top dress that's also really comfortable. It's the same material. And I have this picnic dress. And just a sweater whenever it gets chilly in the mornings. And a rain jacket. Now putting everything in my packing cube, and this is a smaller one. But it all fit. The last thing is to pack is shoes, and I have this bag that I like to put my shoes in. I packed 2 sandals, and I just put them in the same bag. And then I have another bag, and I just brought a pair of tennis shoes. I have a laundry bag, and this really helps you. It's really a game changer. To maximize space, I like to put my bags I'm going to be using while traveling inside my carry-on, and now to put all the packing cubes inside my carry-on. Now let's move on to my backpack and all my travel essentials. I like to use this little baggie with a bunch of zippers. I have my eye solution, Germex, my perfume, that is Coach, my heat spray, wrinkle remover spray, and Lysol spray. Next, I just have 2 pins, it's some tissue, tweezers, my nail clipper, and some chapstick, and a bunch of hair ties, some eye drops, and then some jewelry, and nail polish, and just a mirror, and a face scrubber. And that is it for that little baggie. A hairbrush, another little baggie that has some band-aids inside of it, deodorant, lotion, another hair tie, some chapstick, eye drops, and another pen, some tissue, and then some hand sanitizing wipes. Move on to my next little baggie. I have battery packs for my phone, and my Apple Watch, and my Apple Watch charger, my phone charger, and the charger for the battery packs, my memory card for my camera, a personal alarm. You just pull that tab and it makes a noise, and it has a flashlight. That's it for that little baggie. My camera's battery charger, my straightener, my glasses, some jewelry, gum, sunglasses, and my wallet, and a pepper spray, and putting everything into a smaller packing cube. My makeup case, my camera's tripod, and putting everything into my North Face backpack. Putting everything, my passport and my journal, into the packing cube. Finally, I have a pillow for the airplane ride. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. Bye.